Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways, and I want to start with the fastest one, with the usage of a secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, which is a little bit longer, but thanks to this, you will be able to check the serial number even if you will forget the secret code. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to tap on My Phone, which is at the very top of the list, and then tap on the model. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.